yeah, the testing was cut a bit short because my recoil starter broke. What had happened was the cord had come out and was wound up around outside here. It's not supposed to be there, of course. Then it died on me when I was turning it around over at my neighbor's place. So I had to do the walk of shame back home to go get another snowmobile to tow it home. Other than that, it felt pretty good, actually. It takes off really nice. A couple of issues. It's detonating. I think I have too much timing or not enough fuel, so I'm going to try lower the advance a bit and give it a lot more fuel. It's running on E85 now, so I'm not really sure what to expect, if it behaves the same as regular gasoline when it's running too rich, or it's all a bit new to me, so we'll see. I'll figure it out, I guess. So yeah, a lot of adjustments to do. Okay, so it's Sunday night now. I've been doing more testing today. As it turned out, it was running really lean yesterday. I have my adjustable main jet and I tried turning it all the way out, and it was still running lean. I was just running it on stands today, trying to get it to 4-stroke, so I know when it's really too rich. But it never happened. So I took out my main jet, which was drilled to 2.5 millimeters, which apparently was too little. I thought it would be plenty, but apparently not so much. I think 2.5 millimeters is around 800 or something in regular Mikuni sizes. So I drilled it to 3 millimeters, and then I actually got it to 4-stroke a little bit. It really likes fuel. But before I could do any testing, my crankcase cracked. It's not as bad as it sounds, it's just where the recoil housing bolts onto the crankcase. So the recoil housing is loose now, I can't start it. Or I could with the rope, but then my trigger for the ignition is on the same mounting plate, which is also loose now, so looks like I'm gonna have to take it apart again and get it welded. I have to find a friend that will help me. That shouldn't be a problem, but depends on when they have time, of course. I haven't taken the engine out yet, so that's why you're looking at my face now instead of the broken parts. It's dark outside, so not much to see there. So yeah, little setback, but at least the sleeve is and the piston and everything is still working. So that's good, as long as everything that breaks is outside the crankcase and the cylinder, then I'm good with it. So yep, unfortunately it's not really running as it should yet, but hopefully later this week. Sorry the video wasn't very spectacular, but hopefully soon more spectacular. We'll see, I guess. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.